Good morning, dear students. I'm Varsha and I'm here with my first video lesson, Class 7 Physics. Don't worry, I will reveal the name of chapter later on. Before I start my chapter, I need to show you few set of images and ask questions. Here is the first set of images. Now tell me which season is being depicted by this set. Yes, it is summer season which we are experiencing right now. Too hot. Now let us move on to the next set of images. Which season is being depicted by this set? Yes, it is winter season, which we experienced about 3 to 4 months back. Here comes the next set of images. Now tell me which season is being depicted through this set? Yes, it is autumn. And my favorite. Now here I have few questions to ask. You must have experienced that we wear different types of clothes in different seasons. Why particular types of clothes are suitable for a particular season? Which one factor lets you differentiate between these three different seasons? Think. Fantastic! It is heat. And today we are going to start our new chapter, Heat. As I start this chapter, the first thing which strikes my mind is that what exactly heat is. Now here I have few examples. When you rub your hands against each other, they get warm. Here heat is produced due to loss of the kinetic energy of the hands. In scooters, buses, cars, etc., we burn petrol or diesel. The heat produced by burning of petrol or diesel is converted into mechanical energy by the engine. When juice is stirred vigorously in a mixture, it gets warm. Heat is produced. Here, mechanical energy of the stirrer gets converted into heat. When a nail is hammered into a log of wood, it gets warm. Here, heat is produced. A part of the mechanical energy of the hammer gets converted into heat. After these examples, we can define heat as a form of energy. Heat energy is also known as thermal energy, which causes the sensation of hotness and coldness. We come across many things which appear hot or cold. For example, a cup of tea is hot. A frying pan on stove is hotter. Ice cream is very cold. A glass of water is cold. But how do we decide whether any object is hot, hotter, cold or colder? Recall last time when you were down with fever, your parents touched your body in order to check how hot your body is. Generally, we decide hotness or coldness of body by touching it or of any object. But how accurate our sense of touch is? Let us conduct an activity for this. Take 3 bowls, A, B and C. Put cold water in bowl A, hot water in bowl B and lukewarm, that is slightly warm water, in bowl C. We dip our left hand in cold water in bowl A and right hand in hot water in bowl B. Keep the hands in this way for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now take out the hands from bowls A and B and dip both the hands quickly in lukewarm water in bowl C. Observe what you feel. Here is our observation. The water in third bowl C does not feel equally warm to both the hands. To the left hand, which was earlier in cold water, this lukewarm water appears to be hot. But to the right hand, which was earlier in hot water, this lukewarm water appears to be cold. This is, however, impossible because the same water cannot be hot as well as cold at the same time. So, we arrive to a conclusion. We cannot depend on our sense of touch for estimating the hotness or coldness of an object. We need some reliable measure for estimating the hotness or coldness of an object. If you remember, the last time your mother touched your head to know how hot your body is, in order to get the exact estimation, she used a device. Do you remember? What is a reliable measure of the hotness or coldness of an object? A reliable measure of the hotness or coldness of an object is its temperature. Now, here is a question for you. Now, do you know the name of the device which is used to measure the temperature? Oh yes, fantastic! It is thermometer. The temperature of an object is measured by using a device called thermometer. Now, we are done with the chapter. Let us revise what we studied in this video. Heat is a form of energy which is also known as thermal energy, which causes the sensation of hotness and coldness. A reliable measure of the hotness or coldness of an object is its temperature. The temperature of an object is measured by using a device called thermometer. In my next video, we will discuss in detail about temperature and thermometer. Here are a few instructions. Worksheets will be given to you in PDF or image form. If you have sheets or any rough copy, then copy the given content. Content means important points, definitions in those sheets, and later on stick it to your final notebook when the school reopens. Inbox your queries. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.